All right, everyone, we made it. You've officially conquered the world of WooCommerce order modifications. Give yourselves a digital high five. Hi, my name is Jazz. Welcome to Sleekr Digital. Over the past 3 lessons, we've gone from fumbling with order forms to confidently making changes like total pros. Remember when the idea of adjusting an order was like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded? Yeah, me too. But not anymore. Now you know the fundamental concepts, you've mastered core adjustments, and you're no longer afraid of refunds. You're armed with the knowledge to handle everything from typos to last-minute additions, all thanks to the power of the Admin Order Modifier plugin. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Mostly the responsibility to make your customers' post-purchase experience as smooth as possible. And you, my friend, are now equipped to do just that. Let us know if there is any tutorial you would like us to make for Admin Order Modifier for WooCommerce, or if there is any other WordPress plugin you want us to cover.